Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to upload or change your Facebook profile picture. Whether you're updating your look or adding a fresh photo, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once the app is open, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon or your name. Next, locate your current profile picture at the top of your profile page. Tap on it to open a menu with several options. From this menu, select the option that says Choose Profile Picture. Now, it's time to pick the photo you want to use. You'll be directed to your phone's gallery or photo library. Browse through your images and select the one that best represents you. Once you've chosen your photo, it will appear on the screen. Before finalizing, take a moment to adjust the photo. You can zoom in, zoom out, or reposition it by dragging it around until it looks just right. This step ensures that your profile picture is perfectly framed. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Save, and that's it. Your new profile picture is now live for all your friends and followers to see. Updating your Facebook profile picture is a great way to keep your profile fresh and engaging. So go ahead, give it a try, and let your personality shine through.